Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with a ARITZIA clientele haul. The May clientele sale happens around late May to early June and it goes for about a week. It opens up to clientele, as they call it, a couple days in advance, and the time that it opens for each person I think varies depending on how much you spent during the year, but it's not clear like what the thresholds are. But you should be getting an email or a text message or even a call if you are invited to the clientele sale. Otherwise you just wait for it to open to the public and it's pretty much the same stuff. This time around I picked up a lot of good basics. I think ARITZIA is like probably one of the best places in Canada and I guess in the US now as well to get your high quality basics that will just become staples in your closet. Got a lot of good tops. I got a couple of items from the contour line. I also picked up some trousers and some great like warmer weather pieces. So really excited to show you guys what I got. And before we get into the actual items, this video is sponsored by PDPAOLA. They've been a long-time supporter of this channel and I always appreciate working with them. They launched a charms necklace line and I'm going to show you guys the charms that I picked out. So this is what the jewelry came in. They've upgraded their packaging recently and now they send out their packages in these reusable pouches and I really like that they have a zipper. I'm already thinking of ways I can repurpose this. Once you open it up, they come in these little boxes. They added the large PDPAOLA lettering. I love the bold look, and when you open it up you can see that you get the individual pieces in these little pouches, and they also now come with a polishing cloth. Right now if you purchase a charm you can also get the necklace or bracelet for 20% off. So this is the charm necklace. As you can see, it's a very dainty chain and I'll show you guys the charms and how to attach them. So the first two charms, of course, I had to get my initials. They have individual letter charms and they look like this. The next one I have is this little stick figure. This one I think is called Mini Me on the website. I just thought it'd be super cute. The next two are little crystal charms. These ones are so cool. The first one, this one is this little mushroom. I love the color. The last one is this little heart. I really like these two colors together. I think it'll look really cute. The way that you put these charms on is over here where the necklace clasps together. All you do is just stick the pin through the little opening. Now you can kind of just place it to wherever you want, and you can see that once it's on there it doesn't really move, which is great because if you have multiple charms they don't all clump together, and you can really customize the placement as much as you want. And this is what it looks like. This is the necklace and I'm super excited to try it on. The back is also adjustable as well, so I think I'm just gonna tighten this a little bit, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. I love how everything just stays in place once it's on and it just feels really secure and really personalized. So definitely check out their different charms. They have so many different ones that you can really personalize it as much as you want. Thanks again for watching this haul and supporting my channel, and let's get back to the ARITZIA haul. So here are the packages that I got from my order. As you can see, they haven't been opened, so we are going to be discovering these together. I'll kind of just talk through my thought process and whether I'm going to keep or return these. Let's start off by opening the bag. Now, I have to be really careful here because I have given myself a paper cut trying to open these so many times. It's like not even funny. Here are the pieces from the first package. We're just gonna go through these one by one and then I'll try them on and tell you guys what I think. Okay, so I think we'll start with the sweaters. I love sweaters, and even though it's summertime, I cannot stop ordering sweaters for some reason. So we're gonna start with those. The first one is like half sweater, half top. It is this knit polo and I fell in love with this because of the texture and the silhouette, and I just think that this would look so good with a pair of beige trousers or shorts, and especially since it's an open knit, it'll be really great for the warmer weather. So I am super excited about this. My vision for this was also a little bit oversized and slouchy, so I sized up and got a medium for this one, and it's also apparently 100% organic cotton, which I really like. So yeah, feels really good. I feel like this is going to be kind of a pain to wash. The instructions do say that you can machine wash this in cold water, but I feel like because of the open knit, it's kind of risky because it could get snagged with other things in the machine. So I will probably have to hand wash this one just to be safe. So definitely something to watch out for if you're buying like more open knit things because they could be more high maintenance. Okay, this, I don't know if this is what I was expecting, but this is not giving the look that I was hoping it would give. Maybe if I undo another button. I don't know. This is just, I don't know if this is working for me. Mildly upsetting that I'm not pulling this off the way that I had imagined in my head. Maybe the sleeve length is a little bit too long. Maybe I should have gone for a small, but yeah, this is kind of just giving like 90s school teacher to me, and I am not loving it. Maybe, no. Better with this color shorts? No, it's not working. The next item is this crew neck sweater. This is the Maria sweater, and I actually, if you watched my previous haul, I got this in a black in their heavier wool version. So they have two different fabrics for it. One is like the thicker wool, and this one I think is called the breeze wool because it is lighter and it's more of like a spring summer sweater. This one is in the light birch color in a size small. So definitely very oversized. This will be super nice for those like chillier days where it's summer but you don't want to wear a big jacket. And I think it'll also drape really well just tucked into some trousers or even draped over your shoulder. In person, this one is definitely more of a cream color, almost a little bit pale yellow. Oh my god, I love this. I love it. It feels so soft, so cozy, and pretty lightweight as well. I think this is a beautiful fit, just super classic and super comfortable as well. I'm very excited for this one. It also is something that you can really easily tuck into your pants because it's not super chunky. Yeah, just a great fit. I don't think I have anything bad to say about this, and it's definitely a great staple. It is just slightly see-through, I think, so definitely would wear a tank top underneath. I think you can see my bra slightly, which isn't a problem because I usually do wear tank tops under sweaters anyways. But yeah, love it. I think these are getting low in stock too, so definitely would check them out if you're interested in a really good basic crew neck sweater. So next we have some tops. They are both from the Babaton contour line. First one is a tube top, and it's not quite the color I was imagining. I think I wanted something a little bit lighter in color, but maybe that was my mistake. And I got this in a size small. I was debating a medium for a more comfortable fit, but I think because it's a tube top, it might have trouble staying on. So I got the size small, and this is the hip length because I want something that I can comfortably tuck into my bottoms without having anything exposed. And yeah, just have everything be like super tucked in. So this is the tube top. Love the fit of this. You can see it's kind of cutting into my armpits a little bit, but I think to be expected when you wear a tube top. Yeah, this definitely feels super secure and it's not going to fall down throughout the day, which is pretty much my only concern when buying a tube top other than the fact that it's not see-through. So yeah, this one is definitely not see-through. And just to show you guys the length of this, if you wanted to wear something mid-rise or low-rise, it would definitely still be long enough. If you're interested in trying out the contour line, there are so many more tops that are out now than before. I think it started out as only being bodysuits, which I personally prefer the tops way more. They're way easier to wear, and I don't really mind them not being completely seamless. I don't know if that's a concern for other people, but I definitely prefer the tops, and I'm really excited to try out the different styles that Aritzia has. And the next item is super basic, so I apologize if it's a bit boring, but it is the contour t-shirt. This one I got in black. It's also the hip length because I am in a phase where I just want to wear full length tops. So I got this. I think that it will go really well just with any bottoms. It's a really low maintenance item, and this one is in a size medium. I do want this to be a looser fit. I don't want it to be super skin tight. Everything in the contour line is just really thick, feels really good quality, so I definitely want to invest in more of these like higher quality pieces. Really excited to try this one on. So this is the shirt. First of all, I love how long it is. It's definitely a hip length, and I'm so glad that Aritzia is bringing back full length tops. As for the fit, I'm definitely glad I got a medium. Still pretty form-fitting around the waist, but there is a little bit more room in the sleeves, as you can see. It's not super skin tight, which I am perfectly fine with because I don't need this to be super tight anyways. Tucked in, it looks like this, just a super classic black t-shirt. Again, just love the quality. So yeah, this is a keep from me. Next we have some trousers. The first one is actually a pair of shorts. These ones are the Ibiza shorts. I absolutely love the color of these. I do have a cheaper version of this style from H&M, but I feel like it might be time to invest in a higher quality version because I do like this silhouette a lot, and I hope that this one fits me. I got this in a size 6. I believe I did this because the reviews said that it runs large, and I'm pretty glad that I did because it doesn't feel like a 6 at all. It feels like a 4. Yeah, I have high hopes for this one. So these are the shorts on. I love how they fit. They fit perfectly actually, so I would definitely size up to get your true fit. And I just love the style. I love how structured it is, and the material is also really sturdy. Very excited about this. This one's definitely a hit. Love the color as well. These are the revue pants. I just fell in love with this gray color. I have been looking for a pair of good gray trousers for a while because I think I saw on Pinterest of someone styling it with just a plain white t-shirt and some sneakers, and I just loved how that looked. So I've been on the hunt for one ever since, and I just love these with the pleating in the front and the wide leg. I think it's everything I've been looking for, and I'm super excited to try this. It is a mid-rise, which is a bit out of my comfort zone. I like to stick to high-rise because I have a longer torso and shorter legs, so I like to balance that out with a high-rise. But yeah, I think these ones still have a lot of potential. Looking at these a bit closer, in case this is important to you, these don't have a back pocket. They are completely sewn shut, and even if you took it apart, you wouldn't be able to put anything in here. They do have front pockets though, which is good. Just something to keep in mind. So these are the revue pants on. I styled it with this oversized white t-shirt, which is basically the inspiration that led me to buy these pants. And I am in love with the way they fit. They are definitely a mid-rise, but I love the slouchy look from the wide leg and the pleating in the front. And the color is fabulous as well. I love this look. It's the perfect amount of slouchy. They feel nice and solid. Great purchase. And I just paired it with my favorite tee. This one is called the Pegasus t-shirt from ARITZIA. And yeah, I think it looks really, really cute like this. The last pair of trousers I know is actually in this bag, so we're gonna go ahead and open them now. These are the carrot pants, and if you watched my previous haul, you saw that I got a pair of black ones. I actually returned those because I got 2 pairs of black trousers in my previous order, and I ended up going with the other pair, but I do really like this silhouette, so I did pick this up in a different color. This one is also in the crepe material, which is super flowy and just great for warmer weather, which is when I would wear a color like this anyways. So I thought this would be great for spring and summer, just as a really easy, like low maintenance pair of pants. The crepe material from ARITZIA is a classic, and you can really never go wrong with it anyways. They're really wrinkle resistant as well, and you can machine wash these as well, so they're really easy to take care of and great for both casual and office outfits. Again, I love the style of the carrot pant. It fits really nice and it has a really good tapered leg. I think it's also good for people with wider hips because sometimes when I try on pants, either the waist is too loose or the hips are too tight. And I love how light and flowy it is. It's perfect for spring and summer and also perfect for the office. So these are the pieces that I picked for this clientele haul. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, let me know in the comments what you're planning to pick up during the sale, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram where I have more outfit content and inspiration. And I hope you have a really great week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!